Hello, welcome. This is Tammy from DevelopBit. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to use comments in your code. So before we actually begin, what is a comment? Comments basically for code is how you describe portions of your program. Maybe when you're working on your code or your program that you are doing, you want to just describe what is happening in that section or overall what's going on with that program. So that if you come back to that code, maybe months or years later, you know exactly what is going on. Or if someone else is looking at your code, they can take a look at what comments you have provided and they can say, oh yeah, this is what's going on in this section. So let's take a look at how we can use comments. With Python, there are a couple of ways that you can use commenting. As you notice here on the screen, I've already created a couple of comments. So the first one is called a block comment. The block comment, of course, is where you are coding a line itself. So when you're working with comments, it starts with a pound sign, and then you can be able to write what you want. So as you can see here on this line, it says this program will show print statements about hello Tammy and goodbye. So you're just letting someone know this is what this program is all about. That's a block statement. Here, I also wrote another block statement saying this is a test comment. So again, you can write many block comments as you want to. So that is with the block comment. The next comment that you can use is called an inline comment. With the inline comments, they are coded after statements to describe what they actually do. So as you can see here, I created an inline comment saying this is a comment about goodbye. Or I could say here what it's describing to do. This will print out this is a test. So I can be able to use an inline comment to describe what that print statement is going to do. So when it comes down to working with commenting, when you save this and run the program, you will not see the comments because, as it mentioned, they're just comments to provide what the program is doing. When I go in here and run this, then you will see that it says, hello, my name is Tammy, goodbye, this is a test. It's still going to run my print statements, but the comments will not show. The last comment that I wanted to show you is commenting out. Now, let's just say I don't want to see, hello, my name is Tammy. Well, with Python, you can use what is called commenting out by just putting the pound symbol in front of that print statement. And when you go and save this and run the program, you should not see, hello, my name is Tammy. You should see goodbye, and this is a test. So let's take a look at this. So again, it says goodbye, and this is a test because I've actually commented that out. But if I uncomment it and save it again, I should see, hello, my name is Tammy, goodbye, and this is a test. Okay. So here in this tutorial, we have looked at 3 ways of how to use a comment. The first way is using a block commenting, meaning you started with the pound symbol and you can write whatever you want to write of what your program is doing. Then we have the inline commenting that describes on that line what is happening. So here I had said this will print out this is a test when I run the program. And then we have what is called commenting out, meaning that I don't want this to run as part of my code, so I'm going to comment it out so that you will not see this code run. So again, we've looked at different ways that you can use comments. This is Tammy from DevelopBit. Thank you so much for watching how to use comments. Thank you.